Not all classrooms have four walls, and there's no classroom on Earth like the Great Barrier Reef. We are the reef's future. As a Reef Guardian student, I love learning about the biology of our oceans. The snorkeling, the diversity of fish is astounding, and then there's the coral reefs, which are quite colourful. I hope that I can be an inspiration to my peers around me, because I want to help as much as I can to inspire different generations. It's our choice, and if we want to save our reef, then we can. Every little thing that we do, everything makes a difference in the long run. If I wasn't part of a Reef Guardian School, I don't think I'd have as much fun or be as excited to get to school every day. There are now hundreds of Reef Guardian schools like mine around Australia and the world, enabling the next generation of young leaders to become stewards of the reef, just like me. The Great Barrier Reef is in great hands, ours and yours.